Hello, welcome to OCL Soundwave's newest podcast sequence, Splash with OCL. My name is Jessica. This new sequence will provide you with what is happening at the Ocean County Library. We will be discussing book recommendations, new materials, upcoming events and programs, brief author talks, exciting news we would like to share with you, and other things worth mentioning going on within our library community. Here today I have Lori from Barnegat again. How are you, Lori?
I'm good. How are you?
Good. Lori today is going to be discussing the Friends of the Library with us today. Go ahead, Lori.
Hey, library listeners. We have some great events and happenings at the Ocean County Library, and today I wanted to talk to you about a great volunteering program that we have. Have you ever attended a program or event at your local Ocean County Library and saw it was sponsored by the Friends of the Toms River Library or Friends of the Barnegat Library, etc.? The reason why we are so fortunate to have some great free programs and events at Ocean County is due in part to the amazing volunteers from Friends of the Library. Libraries need friends. It's just that simple. In fact, across America, many public libraries were established through the efforts of community members who understood the value of libraries to their communities and also understood that libraries needed community support to survive. Friends of the Libraries are nonprofit charitable groups formed to support libraries in their communities. Support from the Friends groups can be financial, political, and/or cultural. Groups of the Friends are separated from the libraries they support and made up solely of volunteers. Friends groups work closely with the American Library Association. Other countries aside from the United States have Friends of Libraries groups, including Australia, France, South Africa, and the United Kingdom.
Do all of the Ocean County Library branches, or do most of them have a Friends group?
Almost all our branches have Friends groups in place, and we're always looking for more volunteers. Our branches are looking for members, and it's always evolving. Here at the Ocean County Library, Library Friends support the library as a vital community resource through advocacy, fundraising programs, donations, and volunteering. In fact, a lot of the programs and events you may attend at your local library are funded and sponsored by the Friends.
And we try to give them a shout out for our programs when we're posting them on our website that they are sponsored by what friend in particular for the library. Do you have any stories of a friend group in particular from Ocean County Library that you may have?
So one of my favorite stories that I actually found on our website regarding the Friends, it comes from the Friends of the Library in Ocean County. It comes from our Plumstead branch.
Okay.
The Friends of the Plumstead Township Library were formed in 1974, even though there was no library at the time. A small group of residents would bring their own books to the old first aid building and loan them out to people. The community would also get books from the Ocean County Library Bookmobile, which stopped in New Egypt once a month if a request was placed for the stop. After the Friends group was incorporated, Ocean County Library System opened the New Egypt Station. The station occupied several locations around town, but were really just a few shelves in the corner of local businesses. Fundraising started with the goal of purchasing a building to house a real library. Fundraisers included bake sales, raffles, readathons, book sales, dances, and more. Then in 1981, the Friends purchased the old Bell telephone switching station on Evergreen Road. Volunteers provided most of the labor to turn the building into a functioning library. The grand opening was held in March of 1981. The Ocean County Library System provided books and paid the salaries of the library staff, and the Friends were responsible for the mortgage and maintenance of the building. Library usage continued to grow, and soon the Friends realized the community was outgrowing the small library. Unfortunately, the Plumstead Township population did not meet Ocean County's criteria for a local branch library. But the Friends, they were determined. Fundraising continued, and town officials were asked to apply pressure on the county library officials. Ocean County then agreed to proceed with plans for a Plumstead branch, but the Friends and Plumstead Township had to supply half of the funding, and supply they did. Groundbreaking for the current library building was held on April 1998. The grand opening took place on March 13, 1999. That's a story of determination and perseverance by the Friends of the Library. And for more information, you can find it on our Friends website at plumsteadfriends.org.
It's a really inspiring story. Yeah, that's great. Shout out to our Plumstead Friends and the Plumstead Library branch at the Ocean County Library. It's really great. They are a very, very nice branch down there. I've been there a couple of times.
Yeah.
So if you're interested in joining the Friends of the Library or any other volunteer opportunities, you can always check out our website at oceancountylibrary.org. Or you can visit our social media as well. Sometimes we post things about volunteer work. Thank you again, Lori.
Thank you.